Hello guys, welcome to today Morse code revealing. So today Morse code is hamster. So to activate the Morse code, you click on this N per tap, which is at the left top corner. You click on it thrice, 1, 2, 3, and you see that this hamster background changes to red. So now after tapping, remember to activate the Morse code, you need to tap thrice at the N per tap. So after tapping thrice on the N per tap, then you come to the hamster. Now to get your hash, you know that the hamster code for the hamster's cipher for today is hamster. So we start from hash. Hash is 4 dots, so you tap 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's hash. Then A is 1 tap and then hold. 1 tap, hold. Then M is 2 hold, so you hold twice, 1, 2. Then S is 3 tap, that is 1, 2, 3. Then T is 1 hold. Then E is just 1 tap, 1 tap. Then R is 1 tap, 1 hold, and 1 tap. 1 tap, 1 hold, 1 tap. Boom. And the code is cracked. So that is that for today. So if you know that you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe